Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Aquarians. Let's see what's happening for Aquarians in their love life, especially in the month of December. So it is going to be a general love reading for Aquarians, specifically for the month of December 2020. And yeah, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. You can reach out to me for personal readings on my WhatsApp number. I have mentioned everything in my description box. You can check that. And let's start. Let's see what's happening for Aquarians in their love life in the month of December. What's happening for Aquarians? If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, also pressing the bell icon so never to miss any updates from me. Okay, let's see what's happening for Aquarians. The first card we have is the Empress. So you are in this energy, in this Empress energy, where you feel confident, where you don't feel the need to chase anyone, the need to beg anyone, the need to run behind anyone. You are in your power. In the month of December, you will be feeling quite confident, quite optimistic, positive. You will have new earning sources, or maybe you will feel satisfied, you will feel in your power, or you need to come in this Empress energy. Either you will be in this energy or you will have to. Okay, take it as an advice. Okay, bottom of the deck is Nine of Wands. So in the past, maybe in the month of November, you were not feeling quite right. You were feeling rejected, you were feeling left out, you were feeling alone, and now you need to come in this Empress energy. Take charge of your life, of your feelings. Maybe someone wasn't, or the person you are dealing with was not being attentive towards you, not paying attention to you, not wanting to connect to you. But then you have to take charge. You have to take charge of your feelings. I think you will be setting out boundaries for people in your life, like how much power they have or control they have on your life, on your emotions. Okay, this Nine of Wands might be you, okay, taking charge and putting up boundaries for people around you. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy, and this is Taurus energy. So Aquarius, this is must for you. Definitely you must do that. You must not allow anyone to bring you down, to make you feel sad. Okay, let me light up the room. Okay, let's see what's coming up for Aquarians. Okay, see, maybe you will spend more time with your loved ones, with your family. As I split the deck, these two cards came up. Definitely you are going to spend time with someone, maybe have marriage in your family. Okay, so basically you will spend more time with the people you love and the people those who love you, those who invest into you. And that is something really beautiful, Aquarians. You need to do that often. What more do we have for Aquarians? What more do we have for Aquarians in the month of December? Okay, we have two cards, Knight of Pentacles and Page of Cups. So this is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy with this Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I think someone has their eyes set on you. Someone might be stalking you from afar. Maybe you are into a long distance relationship, and if you are expecting someone from the past, this is someone from the past who will finally reach out to you. Because this is Knight of Pentacles, maybe they took a lot of time. You were stalking them, you were keeping your eyes on them, you were really investing into this person, and they took too long. Maybe you will not accept them. Maybe you will not accept them. Some of my Aquarians will not accept this person who took so long to come into your life, to connect to you, to reach out to you. Okay, this person might ask for forgiveness, and you will be like, okay, let me think whether this is worth investing. Okay, and the bottom of the deck here is the Devil. Okay, you will play around this person now. Now you won't allow them to play with you. Now you will be the player. You will play them. Okay, because in the past maybe this person took too long. They took you for granted, they ghosted you, no matter what. Now you will not entertain anyone. Okay, you have this revengeful feelings. Okay, bottom of the deck is Justice. So I see you might be dealing with a Libra too. Okay, another air sign. So Aquarians, what I see here with this Justice card is you want everything to be fair. If you are reciprocal, if you are giving love to someone, you want that the same feelings, the same intensity from the other end. You don't want to be the only giver, you want to be the receiving, on the receiving end too. Okay, beautiful. What more do we have for Aquarians? What more do we have, please, for Aquarians? The World. I told you, many of you are into a long distance relationship, or you are wanting to travel somewhere, or someone from very afar is going to reach out to you or come travel to you. And the bottom of the deck is Eight of Swords. Or maybe you are going to receive news which will be disheartening at the moment, but it will bring you to a realization. See, truth is bitter sometimes, but it is necessary, right? So this is necessary for your blindfolds to come off and you to see the reality, so you can move forward. You can move forward with your life. Okay, what more do we have? What do we have for Aquarians for the month of December? All placements. Okay, we have the Hermit. I told you, whether you are in search of something, you are wanting to take time for your own, on your own, not wanting to connect so much with your loved one, and decide for yourself, prioritize yourself, taking care of yourself, doing things you love. Okay, or working on your spiritual journey, and that is beautiful. Okay, bottom of the deck with this Hermit card, this is a Virgo energy, and the bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. So it is quite possible someone might reach out to you in the month of December. This might be a new person, this might be an old person. This person is in a Knight energy, so you will feel as if this person is not sorry. No, if this is an old person, you will analyze this person, you will observe. Okay, you won't take them so soon. You will see if this person has changed. Okay, whether this person is bringing something new, something fresh, something meaningful in your life or not. Okay, so that is what you are doing. What more do we have for Aquarians? What more do we have? Why is this Page of Cups here, please? What is this Page of Cups here? We have two cards, the Sun card and the Star card, and the Three of Wands. Okay, so this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy, Aquarian, your own energy. I told you, you need balance. The Star card is about balance. The Star card is about hopes, positivity, looking forward, hoping for the best, and this is about being happy. This is the Leo card. So I think you are looking back, or if someone from your past is re-entering your life, you are observing this person. Okay, or you are observing them from afar. Okay, you don't want to be impulsive while taking this person back, and that is really good, because you want your own happiness. Now you're working for yourself, your own happiness, your own fulfillment. Okay, so this is something beautiful, positive energy for Aquarians. What more do we have for Aquarians? What is this Eight of Swords about? Please clarify the Eight of Swords. Yeah, I think you have lost something and you don't want to lose anything anymore. Okay, you are holding your coins to your chest and you have already lost these 3 coins, by only giving and not receiving, and now this is the last coin that is left and you don't want to lose you. Okay, you are holding every tits and bits and pieces of your heart because you have realized something, or the person's mask has fallen down, or you have realized something with this Eight of Swords that was really important for you to awaken. Okay, so your eyes are opening, Aquarians. You are seeing the reality, and you don't want something inconsistent. You don't want someone who cheats you, lies to you, doesn't invest much into the relationship. You want a stable relationship. Okay, What is this Hermit about? For Aquarians, what is this Hermit about? Please clarify the Hermit. Okay, Three of Cups. So I told you, someone wants to reconcile with you, someone wants to spend time with you, someone, this person that you're dealing with wants to, is, I think, nostalgic. They want to spend, just have good time with you. They are not thinking much about the love they have shared with you. They are being very surface coming to you. So you are in this hermit mode where you want to see the reality. Why this person is coming back to your life? Does they have something stable to offer to you? And if that's not the case, you don't want to entertain them. I told you, you will sniff out their truth. You will see this person is lying. Okay, maybe this person is definitely lying to you. If this is the person from the past, wanting to reconcile with you, wanting to just have good time with you, maybe have sexual pleasures with you, use you, manipulate you, you are not trusting them. Okay, Seven of Swords. This person is trying to get away with something and you won't allow this. Okay, beautiful. What more do we have with the Sun here? Sun energy here. What more do we have? What more do we have? Wow, Two of Wands. You are happy, you are looking forward, you don't want to look back. I don't think many of the Aquarians here are looking back. You are looking forward. Okay, maybe you want to travel somewhere for your further studies, for your job, for your, I don't know what, but you want forward movement. There is no Chariot here, but I think you definitely want that. You want forward movement, you want victory, you want new beginnings. Okay, you are hoping for the best. You have learned a lot, you have experienced a lot, you have a lot of experience to carry yourself forward with. Okay, and you are ready to cut off anyone and everyone that is holding you back with this Queen of Swords. You're feeling very powerful. Yeah, you want a new beginning, definitely. You are trusting God's decision. Okay, what is this Four of Pentacles about? Please clarify this Four of Pentacles for Aquarians. Please clarify. Yeah, we have the High Priestess. This is Piscean energy. Your intuition, your wisdom, it is just heightened at this time. Okay, trust your intuition. If you're feeling this situation or this specific person is not good for you, definitely it is not good for you. Just leave this situation. If you don't feel right, please leave the situation. Trust your intuition. Your intuition is going to be very, very, very strong throughout the month of December, Aquarians. Okay, trust it. Okay, bottom of the deck is Ace of Swords. Trust the new beginnings. Okay, move forward with optimism. I think you are going to get a lot of opportunities, new love offers. Those are consistent, those are direct, those are full of love and trust and loyalty. Okay, so yeah, that is what's coming up for you. Let's pick 3 cards from the tarot as advice for you, Aquarians, and then we will pick 3 cards from the angel, your oracles, and let's see what do we have for you. What messages do we have for Aquarians for the month of December? Yeah, look forward, look what you have. Don't look at what you have lost, look at what you have. Okay, look at the good things you have achieved, the experience. Work on your career, work on your money, work on your finances. Be ambitious. Okay, work for yourself. Don't cry over the spilt milk. That is the whole thing here. See, move forward with a lot of risk-taking mindset. Okay, what more do we have? This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. What more do we have? What advice do we have for Aquarians for the month of December? What advice do we have for Aquarians? We have 2 cards, Temperance. See, you need balance. You need balance. But that cannot be achieved with the 5 of Cups energy. You don't have to cry, I told you. You don't have to see. You have done your part. You gave your love to this person. You invested into this connection. You did not get anything out of it, and you don't have to cry for it. Okay, this is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, and this is Sagittarian energy with this Temperance. Everything will just balance out. Okay, don't cry, don't grieve over anything, and you will be just fine. Just be protective of your energies. Okay, only invest where it's necessary. What more advice do we have for Aquarians? One more card please, just one card. Okay, we have 8 of Wands here. I think you must, with this Aries, Leo, Sag energy, I think you must be very clear with what you want. Maybe you are not quite expressive when it comes to your emotions and your feelings about a specific situation. Don't cry, don't grieve over anything, okay? Your days of crying are over now, Aquarians. Speak your heart out. You are going to receive good news. You are going to receive maybe a communication from someone you were expecting, which will bring happiness, okay, which are genuine ones. So don't cry, don't feel left out, okay? Don't chase anyone. That is what I am expecting out of you. Now let's see what comes up from the Fairy Oracle. What advice do we have for Aquarians for the month of December? What advices do we have, please? What advices do we have? What advices do we have for Aquarians? The first one we have is transformation. So this phase is very important for you. This December is going to bring a whole new person out of you, okay? You are going to transform and trust the process, okay? Fairies and angels and spirit guides and universe are working for you to transform into a better person, okay? Maybe you need moon bathing. Just take energy from the moon. If you haven't tried it, please try it. Google about it, okay? And maybe it will help you. What more do we have for Aquarians? Ask for help. I told you, communicate. Talk to people around you, those who care for you, those who are genuine about, those who have genuine intentions and interest in you. Ask them for help, okay? If you are feeling alone, don't feel so. You're not alone, Aquarians, okay? Maybe you are only wanting to be in solitude. You don't want to be in a relationship now. So it be. If you want to be alone for a specific amount of time, don't force yourself to go into a new relationship, okay? It will happen on the right time, divine timing, okay? And last is celebration. I told you, maybe there is marriage, there is anniversary, there is birthdays coming up for you in the month of December. You are going to be a part of a lot of celebrations this month, and you are going to dance, you are going to enjoy. You need to enjoy music, okay? Maybe you will receive some signs and omens from music, so pay attention to the music you hear, okay? Let's see what comes up for you, Aquarians, in the month of December. What handwritten advices we have for you? What we have for you for Aquarians? 3, 4, 8 months. Maybe these months are specific for you, okay? March, April and August, or maybe 3, 4, 8 months from now something major is going to happen or happened, okay? What more do we have for Aquarians? Career or job. I told you, ambitions, your career, your job, some major shifts or changes are going to happen. Strong. You need to be strong. You need to have strength in you, okay? You're not alone, okay? Just ask for help. On and off situation. Maybe you were dealing with someone who is not consistent. They were on and off with their efforts and commitment. You needed commitment and you did not get it, okay? Or you will receive commitment from a new person, okay? Bottom is choices. You will have choices, maybe an old love and a new one. And trust issues. Maybe you are dealing with someone who had a lot of trust issues with you, okay? So yeah, this was it for Aquarians. I hope you liked the reading. If it resonated, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video, Aquarians.